Today we'll talk about something very random. No facts and all these things. Just one thing. Credits.
मुझे क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए.
Most of you might have heard that Modi ji likes to take credits, but little did you all know that he even gives credits. A lot of them. Credit guarantee schemes. Economists बोल बोल के थक गए that give economic relief package. नहीं भाई हम credit guarantee schemes देंगे. इधर भाई ठूस ठूस के credits देंगे. But that's not the point. This is about taking credits. Let it be vaccines, let it be Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, let it be the athletes at Olympic Games, or let it be ministers in the cabinet. He'll go and thusofy himself in all the posters and all that, and then he'll be like, हमें credit नहीं चाहिए, चाहिए नहीं रे, तुम रखो अपने पास. So let's start with posters. As you know, India loves posters like to another level, and you will come across various kinds of posters in your life, like Rakesh right here. It's his birthday, so he wants people to call him on his number. He's like, please wish me. I also answer calls of Vodafone sometimes just so that I have someone to talk to. But that's not the point. This is about Rakesh. Rakesh is the loner here. Or even when you get your visa approved, you put up a banner. Sakshat Obama is coming and congratulating him. Or even when you are shaving for the first time. Or even when your puberty hits you. We have one more person in this category. Our Adaraniya Modi ji. By now you all might have got very accustomed to this exact photo right here. भाई जहां जहां है ना ठूस दिए है वो फोटो मतलब जिधर दिखा ना उधर ठूस दिए. Next YouTube page check also na put his photo only there. Anyway this channel has become big because of criticizing Modi and Jaggi bhai. So ठूस दो उधर भी ठूस दो नहीं फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. Instead of Google AdSense put PMYKY प्रधानमंत्री यूट्यूबर कल्याण योजना कर दो भाई. इतना टैक्स भर रहे हैं नए फोटोशूट तो करो. On the vaccination certificate they took the exact same picture and just flipped it. At least do more photo shoots man. इसलिए टैक्स भर रहे हैं क्या? See, I know every politician puts up their banners to show things. Show things? Sorry, advertise. But this guy's banners are more than the things which can surprise me, like the cost of hearing aids in Thane, or the course of AI in Pune, or price of master's degree in UK. See, I'm not saying that these things will not surprise me, but I'm really sick of these ads. I can assure you one thing, this is not how you get a master's degree for sure. Bhai sab, whenever I leave the house now, the posters I see of Modi, I've just lost count of. They might be more than the potholes I see on the road.
थोड़ी मर्यादा रखिए.
Sab jagah muft vaccine. Thank you Modi ji for muft vaccine. I don't even remember telling him thank you. बोला ही नहीं thank you. बोलना भी नहीं है thank you. The strategy is pretty amazing. They take the taxpayers' money and then they give you free vaccines and which aren't even available in abundance. And then the taxpayers' money is also used to advertise to you that Modi ji is giving you free vaccine. और हमसे जबरदस्ती thank you भी बुलवा ली. बोला ही नहीं thank you. बोलना भी नहीं है thank you यार. ऐसे कैसे जबरदस्ती thank you बुलवा लेते हैं और कि क्या क्या लॉजिक है इसमें? It's like taking money from your parents and then buying them a gift. Obviously your parents are going to appreciate it, but that doesn't change the fact that you are an idiot. Even I have done the same. And I have literally started getting nightmares looking at these posters now. Muft vaccine. And all vaccines aren't even free. My second dose of the vaccine I took was paid. And still his photo is there on the vaccine certificate. Why should his photo be there for the thing I paid? First of all, his face shouldn't be there even when it's free. But it's there even when it's paid. I'll put anyone's photo over here. I'll put this guy's photo over here. The weirdest thing is seeing Modi ji's free vaccine poster at the petrol pump. This is the closest business transaction I've ever seen. इधर एक्स्ट्रा पैसे से लूट लो हैं फिर बाद में फ्री वैक्सीन भी दे दो. बट मिल भी नहीं रही है फ्री वैक्सीन. थैंक यू भी नहीं बोला है. Now let's come to the Olympics. Our athletes have done a commendable job in this and hats off to all of the athletes, like all of them. रगड़ के athletes, years and years they are practicing and somehow they manage to win a medal. भाई आ जाते हैं क्रेडिट लेने. Even when they do a budget cut of 230 crores in the sports.
आपके आते ही जैसे बौछार हो रही है मेडल्स की.
These athletes barely get support before the matches. Afterwards, bhai, le lo na paisa, le lo. One female boxer was literally seen selling parking tickets because she couldn't handle the situation at home. She had to drop it.
जीत के आए, मेडल लाए और फिर भी हमें कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिला. अगर हमें सपोर्ट मिलता कि जैसे गवर्नमेंट से जैसे स्कॉलरशिप मिलती है, अगर स्कॉलरशिप मिलती तो उसके बेस पे भी हम खेलते रहते कि वो हमें सपोर्ट मिल रही है कि स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है और हम खेलते रहते.
But as they win the Olympics ना भाई आ जाओ क्रेडिट लेने आ जाओ.
मुझे क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए.
When Mirabai Chanu won the silver medal, You could really not distinguish who is Mirabai Chanu. People thought this one was Mirabai Chanu. Just look at the banner now. Modi ji is big and Mirabai is somewhere small over here. She won the medal. Arey bhai, why did you even do that much? Don't put her photo only na. Put your only photo instead over there. Now Neeraj Chopra won a gold medal in javelin throw. But you all didn't know that Modi ji actually trained him. After he won the gold, did Modi post a photo of it? Did he? Because he doesn't like to take credits. Just check out this photo.
मुझे क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए.
Now recently Modi changed the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award to Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. I get that. Like, you know, when it's about sports, I don't think so any politician's name should be there. It should be just the people who have actually done well in sports. But the thing is, another Dhyan Chand Award, Dhyan Chand Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games Award already exists. What about that one? Chalo bhai, two awards you want to put it. Chalo bhai. Then Narendra Modi Stadium kyun hai? And then when you're celebrating this, why is Modi ji's picture so big and Dhyan Chand so small over there? मतलब उतना भी मेहरबानी क्यों कर रहे हो यार? छोड़ दो ना उधर भी. Just edit your face out while playing hockey. Dhyan Chand was from Allahabad, Prayagraj.
क्या करते हो चूतिया करने का?
So let's see in the election campaigns if you will see this come up. UP election जो आ रहा है. And what is this? What is this? Is this Lovelina? क्या भाई लवलीना को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट कर रहे, खुद का फोटो डाल दिए. लवलीना इज बिकम चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ असम और नाउ. थोड़ा कुछ कर दो भाई, आ जाओ क्रेडिट लेने और बोलो क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए. नाउ लेट्स कम टू प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना. भाई इतने सैक्स में भाई उनका ही फोटो ठूस दिया. वही फोटो, दूसरा फोटो तो लो ना. वही फोटो क्यों ठूस रहे हो? दूसरा तो लो. दिस द ओनली थिंग व्हिच वाज लेफ्ट नाउ ऑन द राइस ग्रेन्स और दोस ग्रेन्स में ना, दैट फोटो वाज सपोज्ड टू बी एंग्रेव्ड. That take that, imprint it on that, and then thusofied people's throat, like thuso it down. And then during the cabinet reshuffle which happened, Modi ji was like, see, so much representation we are doing. OBC, women, and then put up posters everywhere. 28 ministers were there from the OBC category. Out of that, only 14 people ka photo was put up, chota sa, on one side of the banner, and other side Modi ji again. Badass. Then women representation, 11 were selected, 11 were again put in the corner, which you can barely see, and Modi ji again. I guess Zee News was right when they actually conducted that debate when Bengal की असली बेटी कौन, मोदी जी या ममता? शायद मोदी जी होना चाहिए था. ये सब कुछ करो और बोलो क्रेडिट नहीं चाहिए. चाहिए नहीं क्रेडिट भाई. इतना मतलब हाउ कैन यू पॉसिबली टेक क्रेडिट फॉर एवरीथिंग? सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक का भी लिया, सब कुछ का क्रेडिट लिया है यार. क्या है ये? तो लेते रहो क्रेडिट और काटते रहो पब्लिक का. चलेगा? Continue. And do check out my other channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Go and subscribe and watch the videos there. I make videos there too. And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.